today we're going to be making pan-fried salmon with roasted sweet potatoes. So firstly what we're going to do, we're going to cut our sweet potatoes. We're going to cut them in slices and we're going to try to get them the same size so that as it's cooking they'll all cook at the same time. So once we finish cutting, we're going to place all the slices into a bowl of cold water, just like that. And then on our stove we're going to have a pot of boiling water, and then we're going to place our slices in the boiling water. Okay, so I had to change it into a bigger pot because the water was overflowing. But once you put all your potatoes in the pot, I just add a bit of salt. It's optional, you don't have to. But so now we leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes and let it soften. Right, so now we're going to prep our salmon. I usually poke holes in mine just so that the seasoning can get right through and you can taste all the flavours. So first we're going to add some Maggi. I add about three cubes. And then I'm going to add some paprika. Then I'm going to use some chili flakes. Next, some garlic. Some mixed herbs. Then I'm going to add a little bit of parsley as well. Now your potato should be boiling and should be partly soft, not too soft so it starts to break. But now what I'm going to do is take them out and put them onto the tray. Try and spread them out. We're gonna start frying our salmon. I'm gonna spray coconut oil into the pan. With the skin side down into our frying pan. I'm just gonna turn up the heat a little bit. So just taking the salmon out the oven. I'm just going to make sure it's cooked right through. It should be flaky.